In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks in Asana in 3 different ways, and we'll do it all in less than 60 seconds. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting to organize your tasks, subtasks can help you break down your work into manageable pieces and keep everything on track. First things first, we'll need to access Asana. So if you are not already in Asana, open up your browser, navigate to Asana's website, and log in with your credentials. This will lead you to your dashboard where you can see all your ongoing projects and tasks. Next, identify the task to which you want to add a subtask. This is one of those moments where knowing which tasks need further breakdown is key. Click on the task in question to open it up and reveal its details. You should see a window with various options related to the task, such as due date, assignee, and description. What we want to focus on for subtasks is right below these main task options. Once you have the task open and are ready to go, scroll down a bit in this details window until you come across the option to add subtask. It's easy to find if you know what you're looking for. There's usually a little plus sign that invites you to add more details. Clicking on this option will create a new field where you can type in the subtask title. This is where you get to put those ideas to work. Think about dividing your main task into smaller actions that make it more achievable. Type in the specific action or deliverable that this subtask addresses. If you have several steps in mind, continue to add more subtasks by clicking the Add Subtask button again. This flexibility allows you to not only list steps, but also to seed these responsibilities to different members of your team, set individual due dates, or keep notes specific to the subtask. One great feature of using subtasks in Asana is they can be as detailed as you like. You can assign each subtask their own due date, priority level, or even additional subtasks if needed. This granular level of task management ensures nothing falls through the cracks and gives everyone in the team a clear picture of what they need to focus on. And there you have it. Utilizing subtasks in Asana is a breeze. This tool proves invaluable for managing projects effectively, ensuring that you and your team can track all necessary steps clearly and efficiently. So go ahead, try it out, and you'll soon see a marked improvement in your task management workflow. Enjoy the seamless organization and happy tasking with Asana.